Now let's have Food Min Stomach Meridian, Stomach 33, Yin Shur, Yin Market. Stomach 33, Yin Shur, Yin Market. On the anterior thigh, on the line connecting the axis with the superolateral angle of the patella, 3 Shun proximal to the patella along the lateral border of the rectus femoris muscle. Stomach 33 occurs midway between stomach 32 and the superolateral patella. In Chinese medicine, climatic conditions of cold and damp, both yin-type pathogenic factors, are responsible for swelling and pain in the joint. These yin pathogenic factors constitute a yin market. For example, the descriptive term for stomach 33. A stomach 33 yin shirt, yin market, yin tripod activates the channel, disperse fullness and cold, swelling of the knee, cold and pain in the lower back connecting to the knee. At stomach 33, qi and blood are accumulated and dispersed like goods at the marketplace. This idea of a place of exchange and distribution echoes the role of the stomach in receiving and in sending out the 5 grains. The stomach meridian is a yang channel or a yin aspect of the body. Here, we are reminded of these two qualities as the stomach meridian enters the region of the lower leg. Indications: cold and pain or atrophy in the thigh or knee, abdominal distension, and cold. Here, blood and qi accumulate, which can then be distributed as in a market to wherever they are required, particularly helpful for pain and swelling in the knee or pain in the lower back. Clinical relevance: a number of trigger points in the quadriceps group cause problems in the cranial thigh. Muscles affected by needling stomach 33 depends on the depth and direction of needle insertion. Indications and potential points combinations. For knee pain, swelling, restriction in range of motion, stomach 33, palpate for myofascial trigger point contributors in the vastus lateralis muscle. Also, evaluate stomach 34 for tenderness to palpation. Other trigger points in the region and consider adding stomach 35, stomach 36, spleen 9, spleen 10, GB34 for anterior knee pain. Posterior knee pain, stomach 33, stomach 34, and relevant kidney bladder points. Thank you for your attention.